We do have some continuing coverage on yet another substantiated claim of abuse. The Diocese of Buffalo's Independent Review Board conducted an investigation into a retired priest and found that the allegation he abused a minor was in fact true.
Despite that, Reverend Joseph Vetter will not be facing any criminal charges. 2 on your side's Danielle Church joins us now. So Danielle, why won't he be charged?
Well, Erie County District Attorney John Flynn says the alleged abuse happened back in the early 80s, but he says the statute of limitations in this incident was only 3 years. So that's why no charges will be filed. Flynn says Reverend Vatter allegedly forcibly touched a girl in her early teens at a Catholic school. He says there was no rape or serious felony misconduct, and if the statute of limitations wasn't an issue in this case, it would be a misdemeanor. To this day, Flynn says forcibly touching someone has a 3-year statute of limitations on it unless the victim is under 18. Otherwise, once they turn 18, then the limitations period begins. Flynn says he can't prosecute most of these cases involving sexual abuse in the Catholic Diocese of Buffalo because they fall outside of that statute of limitations.
If I could, I would, but the statute of limitation precludes me. And again, we have another case here now where we apparently have a substantiated claim, even though I haven't really drilled down on it to see if it rises to the level of beyond a reasonable doubt in a court of law. I haven't even gotten that far yet because I don't need to, because I know I can't go anywhere due to the statute of limitations.
Vatter has accepted the recommendation from the Independent Review Board. As a result, he was placed on administrative leave in February and we're told no longer helps with masses at churches throughout Western New York. Vatter will also be named on the Priests with Substantiated Claims of Abuse list on the Diocese website. If you have any information about sexual abuse within the Diocese of Buffalo, you can contact a Victim Assistance Coordinator for help. Her number is 716-895-3010. On your side in the newsroom, Danielle Church, Channel 2 News.